Hi, all. Thank you for inviting the Drug Overdose Surveillance Team at the Rhode Island Department of Health to present today. My name is Melissa Basta. I'm a senior public health epidemiologist, and I'm presenting today with Sarah Karim, our GIS specialist. We're very happy to virtually be with you all. Today, we'll be sharing our Overdose Data Hub, which provides public access to Rhode Island's non-fatal and fatal overdose information, including 5 surveillance systems. These systems include emergency department visits, emergency medical service runs, prescription drug monitoring program data, and fatal overdose data from the Office of the State Medical Examiners and the State Unintentional Drug Overdose Reporting System. As a program, we produce and disseminate a lot of data, which the Data Hub enables us to streamline and facilitate the sharing of that work. We're excited to show you how you can access all 5 data systems and new interactive detailed municipal level data. Our hub site allows us to ensure equitable access to this critical information across all municipalities, empowering communities with information. You can also find downloadable aggregate or summarized data, such as counts of fatal overdoses by year, as well as presentations, articles, data briefs, and reports. Additionally, the Drug Overdose Data Hub improves our data request process, making it easier for researchers, students, the media, and the general public to request data from our program. I'll now walk you through our website. Upon landing on our homepage, you'll notice a notification bar at the top that will include high priority updates from the Rhode Drug Overdose Surveillance Program. As mentioned, Rhode's original drug overdose webpage only displayed one data source. With this new data hub, you can see we have 4 data pages highlighting 5 surveillance systems that include information on Rhode's most frequently used non-fatal and fatal overdose data surveillance systems. All data on the website are shared in alignment with Rhode's small numbers reporting policy, ensuring the protection and confidentiality of the data with counts less than 5 suppressed. You can access each data page here from the icons on this homepage or from the links at the bottom, which we'll show you later. Come to this Rhode Island map, which can be used as a one-stop shop to find quick statistics on the most recent full year of information and data reports by municipality. By clicking the Emergency Department Visits icon, we'll see our first data page. The top of the page provides background information on the Emergency Department overdose data source. We then cover how the data is used to guide statewide and local intervention. There is an icon to view the data visualizations, which we'll get to later. And below, you can see the data in action. In the table to the right, we're tracking weekly and the cumulative month of opioid overdose-related emergency department visits by location. The map to the left is interactive and can be used to visualize data trends regionally by clicking and seeing if the region experienced an overdose spike this year. At the bottom, there's an archive of emergency department related items. You can find data for download, including our most frequently requested data tables, SRI reports like the one presented above, and related data presentations. We'll now take you to the ED data visualization. You can use filters to the left under location to view specific locations such as town, county, and statewide. You can also select the time frame to the right. Please wait and allow for the dashboard to update after a selection. By clicking on a graphic, you can choose to view the data as a table. If you would like to save a local copy, please feel free to take a screenshot of the visualization. You can also share the data table with colleagues by the share button at the bottom. Lastly, there's a video tutorial in the top right corner to guide you through these features on your own. We hope having direct access to this data will enable community leaders to use the most recent overdose data to guide local action. There are 3 other data visualizations available for each of the 3 remaining most utilized data sources. You can view them on your own time. We'll now go to the overdose fatalities page. At the top, there's background information on our 2 overdose fatality data sources. There are icons to reach each of the data visualizations for each data source. Next is the monthly statewide overdose fatalities table, the same one you may be used to seeing on our original website. You can customize the table as needed by dragging the columns as we're doing now. You could also use the filters at the top to specify a particular time frame you're interested in looking at. At the bottom, there's an archive of fatal-related presentations, data for download, and overdose fatality review team reports, previously known as Rhode reports. We also have data pages for EMS and PDMP that follow the same format with an intro to the data source, a data application, related archive of presentations, tables, and reports, which you can explore on your own through these links at the bottom or through the data icons on the homepage. We'll now go back to our homepage. And scroll to the bottom where we'll access the data for download. Here you can find reports, presentations, and data for download. You can use the search bar at the top if you're interested in looking by keyword terms such as data topic or data source. You can also use the pre-established tags to the left to look for particular report types or data systems. You could also use the time filter of last updated if you're looking for a particular time frame of interest. As a side note, all data tables that feed the graphics on the Prevent Overdose RI website will be available for download on our website here. We'll now go back to our home page to show you our data request page. Rhode routinely shares drug overdose surveillance data in a HIPAA-protected manner, always ensuring the confidentiality and protecting the sensitivity of the data we collect. Here you can find data dictionaries for each data set. If you are a researcher looking for row-level data, our page guides you through the Institutional Review Board process with detailed instructions of how IRB-approved researchers can submit such requests. If you're looking for aggregated or summary data and you did not find the table for download or in the data visualizations, you can complete a survey to submit a data request. Please feel free to use our contact information here to reach out to us if you have any questions or feedback.